Hello and welcome back to Brodie Farm here in Stardew Valley. Now I noticed it was year 12 that I did the last farm tour and now I'm on year 15. So a lot of things have changed in that time, so I thought I'd do another one and show you how things have improved on the farm. The house is pretty much the same. There's my family, and down here is my cellar with all the casks. I think I've got cheese and wine in here at the moment, and I'm planning to put some mead in. Right, we'll start at the top. Got my ancient seed in. Potatoes are ready. My honey, tulip honey this year, and here's my little minnows at work. This is the first time I've seen them in action. They're not very quick, are they? However, I'll let them get on with it. In here I have ancient fruit. I used to have a fence, and then I decided it was quite superfluous and it was a far better use of space. Down here I've got the slime hutch. I never ever use it. I don't see the point of it. I don't get any enjoyment out of them at all, so I just ignore them. Round here I've got my gold clock, the most expensive thing in the game. I think it was it £20 million, £10 million or something. I don't know why I got it because it's not really much use to me. It stops weeds and debris appearing on your farm, which I don't get much of that anyway because all my farm is basically paved over, and it stops your fences deteriorating. And I don't have many fences, but I had to buy it simply because I got the money and I could afford it. Up here we've got my crystallariums. I have diamonds in them and they give me a nice supply of easy money. Over here of course is my second silo, and my mushrooms. I do like the mushrooms. I won't get any more because I've cleared all the forestry off my land. Here's my two mills. They're a bit redundant at the moment because I don't have any wheat and I don't have any beet. So I have used them, and I'll be obviously using them when I get wheat and beet. I'll introduce you to my animals and let them out. Okay, here's my chickens and ducks and a feather. They were all grumpy yesterday, I don't know why. Sorry. Are they grumpy today? No, they're happy today. Okay, let's remove this egg. I don't want to be carrying an egg around. We're going to let the pigs out. I notice that I'm getting all my truffles now are purple ones. These are older truffles, but the ones I'm getting now are all purple. Let the cows out. Same thing in here. All our barns are the same. Maybe too many cows. So that's that end of the farm. Up here this is all ancient fruit, and this is ancient fruit. You'll see again I've utilised preserving jars as fences. If you're short of space, it's quite a good idea. I see I've got one missing now. And these vary. I like to get ancient fruit in all of them, but if I can't, I put cranberries in. Right, here's my well. Now in this barn is where I do my starfruit wine. I'm actually running short of starfruit, so I've only got that many left. I'm going to have to wait till I can plant them in the summer to get some more. Over here is the first of my sheds, you call it, And as you can see, I'm doing mead in there. I'll get those later. In here, more kegs, and I'm doing ancient fruit wine in there. I grow ancient fruit in here. Now you'll see round the edges I'm planting oak and maple trees, not fruit trees, and there's a reason for that. In the game before the update, you were allowed to plant fruit trees out with the farm, and I did. Since the 1.1 update, you can't plant fruit trees out with the farm. Now when the update came through, I thought my fruit trees would disappear, but let me show you something. Here I am up at the railway, and look, all my fruit trees are still here and they're still producing. I didn't think that would happen. I thought I would lose them all in the update, so that's really handy. Right, what else have I got to show you? My goats, we better go and let them out. See, and goats, aren't they? Here is where I keep my rabbits and 2 dinosaurs, just for fun. I had a baby one the other day, and 1 void chicken. I'm just going to go and pet my other dinosaur. That's it. I'll come back and gather all that in. So that's my farm. I think you've seen everything there is to see. In the cave I chose the fruit option, which I don't regret at all because I can get mushrooms from the big mushrooms. And hiding round the back here is my machine that warps me to the beach. I love these things. I do think they're great. So that's it. I do hope you've enjoyed a walk around the farm. Please leave your comments on the farm. I hope you enjoyed being here, and if you've enjoyed the video, please press like. It would be lovely if you would subscribe. And I am doing another series. I've started a brand new farm, Riverland Farm, in the 1.1 update. You'll find there's 4 episodes up to now, and you'll find them on my Jellyfingers channel. Please go and have a look at them. We'll see you later. Bye.